Today's work is similar to yesterday's work in that we're going to be changing subtraction to addition. The difference between yesterday's tables and today's tables are that not every problem is the same type of problem in the whole set. So you'll get over here and sometimes you'll have different signs, sometimes you'll have same signs. So they're not all the same problem. As well as them not being the same problem, we also have up here you can see that the problems are written a little differently. I wanted to show you some different ways that they're going to write negatives so that when you reach the EOG, you're not confused when they put this negative at the top like this. Sometimes on the EOG, I've seen where they put a negative up above instead of like making it the same size as the subtraction symbol. So just something for you to get used to is seeing the different ways that people write, -4 minus a -12. So let's go ahead and get to the problem. We're going to add the opposite. So I changed the subtraction to addition, and I changed the -12 to a +12. And then over here I'm going to rewrite it. So I go to the typing tool, and I type -4, and then plus a +12 is the same as plus 12. And then from here, I'm going to type whether the signs are the same or the signs are different. So let's take a look. We're adding these two numbers, and the first number is a -4. And the second number, since you don't see a symbol on it, is a +12. So one's a negative, one's a positive. So that's a negative sign, this is a positive sign. Well, we don't see the positive sign, but it's positive. So that means that the signs are different. Different signs you subtract. So I'm going to type over here, different. And remember, when it comes to subtracting these two numbers, you put the number that's larger in terms of absolute value on top. And when I say absolute value, I'm meaning for you to compare them in positive form. So compare them when they're both positive, which is larger than 12, so you put that at the top. And 12 take away 4 gives me 8. And then I have to ask myself, do I have more of the negatives or more of the positives? Well, I have only 4 negatives and I have 12 positives, so I have more of the positives, so the answer is a +8. All right, part B, -6 minus 10. So I'm going to change this to addition by adding the opposite. So I change the subtraction to addition, that's always the first step. Then this is a +10, so I change it to a -10. And today I'm going to put it at the top like it's been written up here for me. So now this reads -6 plus a -10. So I'm going to go to my typing tool and I'll type -6 plus a -10 is equal to, and then I look at the signs on the numbers that I'm adding. So I'm adding these two numbers. This number is a negative and this number is a negative. Since these signs, the negative signs, are the same, I'm going to add. So signs are the same here, I'm going to add. So I'll go back to the typing tool. I'm going to type same. And then in my head, I already know -6 plus -10 is -16. So I'm just going to, well, I can just type that answer actually. So -16 is my answer.